Governor General, Her Excellency Dame Dr. Cecile La Grenade, Prime Minister, the Honorable Dickon Mitchell, Minister for Foreign Affairs, Trade and Export Development, the Honorable Joseph Andal, esteemed Ministers of Government, members of the Opposition and Parliament, distinguished nationals of Grenada, officials of the OECS Commission, Grenadian citizens residing in St. Lucia. Today, the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States proudly joins the government and people of Grenada in celebrating the nation's 51st anniversary of independence. On this momentous occasion, I extend our heartfelt congratulations and best wishes to all Grenadians. 51 years ago, Grenada embarked on a journey of self-determination, battling colonial rule to establish a sovereign nation. This anniversary is a testament to the sacrifices, resilience, and unity of the Grenadian people. It is a day to honor the legacy of our ancestors and the visionary leadership that has guided Grenada through its remarkable history. The anniversary of Grenada's independence is a day of remembrance, hope, promise, and numerous possibilities. It is the celebration of our nation's birth and a tribute to the sacrifices, struggles, and the unwavering resilience of those who came before. Independence was hard-earned through the tireless efforts of the ancestors, the wisdom of our leaders, and the unity of our people. Today we join you in honoring them for their courage and vision. The commemoration of independence is also an opportunity to consolidate and advance Grenada's ongoing overall development agenda, which has enabled the country to triumph even through its toughest moments. Reflecting on the past year, Grenada has demonstrated exceptional resilience and progress. In July 2024, Hurricane Beryl struck and devastated the islands of Carriacou and Petite Martinique, causing widespread destruction. The nation's response showcased the strength and unity of its people. This year's celebration takes place amidst global uncertainty, with a major cost of living crisis affecting economies worldwide. This largely due to the repercussions of the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war and conflicts all over the world. Nations are grappling with geopolitical unpredictability and high inflation, which is particularly devastating for the small island developing states of the OECS. Inflation has impacted real incomes, consumption, and production costs, thereby threatening the region's competitiveness in goods and tourism. Furthermore, the ongoing conflicts have intensified volatility, affecting economies, energy markets, and global security. It is therefore a moment for reflection and resolution to face this uncertainty and volatility with courage, determination, and unity. Looking ahead, Grenada's vision for sustainable development is both ambitious and inspiring. The National Sustainable Development Plan 2020 to 2035 outlines a comprehensive framework aimed at achieving a resilient and prosperous nation. This plan emphasizes high human and social development ambitions, economic transformation, and environmental sustainability. Furthermore, the Vision 75 roadmap, unveiled by Prime Minister Mitchell, focuses on key pillars such as health, education, agriculture, energy security, and digital transformation. This strategic vision aims to streamline Grenada's development over the next quarter century, ensuring prosperity and resilience for future generations. The theme of this year's commemoration, Embracing a Future of Development, Transformation, and Unity, resonates deeply within the OECS community. In these times of global uncertainty, it is imperative that we adopt a coordinated regional approach to seize opportunities for collective action. By fostering collaboration in areas such as climate resilience, economic diversification, and technological innovation, we can navigate the challenges of today's interconnected world and secure a brighter future for all. As Grenada celebrates this significant milestone, the OECS Commission stands in solidarity with the government and people of Grenada. We extend our best wishes for continued good health, peace, stability, and progress. Happy Independence, Grenada.